How to fix network error in MLB. Well, you might be in the position where you are using MLB app, but it ends up saying network error. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to swipe down the screen, turn off the Bluetooth if connected, and then turn on airplane mode. Once turned on, turn it on for 10 seconds and then turn it off. After that, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is move into settings. Inside settings, you need to head over to your Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to, scroll down and click on Configure DNS. Try changing the DNS from here. Most of the time, changing the DNS has also fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. If not, move into General, scroll down and click on VPN and Device Management. Click on VPN at the very top. If you are connected to any of the VPN, simply turn it off. Once done, try opening the application and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.